Time for Medical Monday on Wisconsin Tonight. Joining me live, Dr. Courtney Anderson from Baycare Clinic to talk about the importance of oral health because problems with your teeth can lead to other health problems. So you want to kind of explain the connection between the two?
Yes, there's been interesting studies lately that have shown the role that oral health has with your heart health. And the biggest implicator is those with chronic gum disease, so those with increased pockets around their teeth where it kind of harbors a lot of bacteria and inflammation.
Yes, definitely a connection there that people need to be aware of. So what are some things that people can do to kind of get ahead of the game here?
Well, obviously flossing.
Obviously.
You know, we talked a little bit about the water flosser. But daily flossing, brushing your teeth twice a day, seeing your dentist, they're now recommending every 6 months for dental care. So you can get that cleaning and then they can kind of monitor things, and if you start developing periodontal disease, they may recommend more frequent cleanings or refer you to a periodontist.
And heart health and mouth health, people wouldn't necessarily put the two together, but like you were saying, there is a strong connection. So you want to kind of explain how they came about discovering that?
Yeah, well, there's a lot of blood vessels in the mouth. So that bacteria from the periodontal disease can get into the bloodstream as well as all that inflammation, and it can increase the formation of clots and it can increase the adherence to the vessels. So then that can increase your blood pressure and then increase your risk for heart attack.
Lots of things. So when you go to the dentist, are they able to check those things for you, or are you kind of on your own to say, doctor, I think something's wrong here?
No, they'll measure the depth of the pockets around each of the teeth. And then
that's where they count the 1, 2, 3.
Correct, yep, and then they'll kind of keep track of that, and if there's an increase, then they will give you some recommendations for how to improve it.
All right, so once again, how many times a day should we floss?
Once a day.
And how many times should we brush?
Twice a day.
At least. I like to brush my teeth multiple times a day. But for more information about